Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we have the system of equations y is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 7 and y minus 5x plus 8 is equal to 0. We're asked how many solutions are there to this system of equations. First we have to try and find the, we need to get an equation in terms of one of the variables to try and find the solutions. And the easiest way to do that is to get y on its own in this equation. So if we add 5x and subtract 8 from this side, and of course you have to do it to both sides to keep the equation equal, then these cancel and these cancel, and left with y is equal to 0 plus 5x minus 8, which is 5x minus 8. Right? 0 plus anything is just itself. So you have y is equal to 5x minus 8. And here, if we have y is equal to x, if we have y is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 7, and y is equal to 5x minus 8, this must be equal to this, since they're both equal to the same thing. So you have x squared plus 3x minus 7 is equal to 5x minus 8. Now if we bring 5x plus 8 over to the other side, right, subtract by 5x on both sides, these cancel, add 8 to both sides, these cancel, we're left with 0, but on this side we have x squared plus 3x minus 5x is minus 2x, minus 7 plus 8 is 1. So we now have a quadratic. We can solve for it and find the number of solutions we have, or we can use the determinant to find out how many solutions there are, right? Because you don't actually have to, we don't need to know what they are. We just need to know how many there are. And the way you do that is you say, okay, the quadratic equation says, or the quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And this is for ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in this problem, a is equal to 1, since we just have 1x squared. B is equal to negative 2, because there's negative 2x. And c is equal to positive 1, because it's just plus 1 at the end, just like plus c. So if we were to plug these in, right, the key thing to note is we have plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. So if b squared minus 4ac is positive, then we're going to have two answers, two solutions, right? Negative b plus whatever it is, and negative b minus whatever it is, both of those over 2a. If this is equal to 0, then negative b plus 0 and negative b minus 0 over 2a are going to be the same thing. Your only solution is going to be negative b over 2a. And then if this is negative, right, so if b squared minus 4ac is 0, you have two solutions. If b squared minus 4ac equals 0, you have one solution. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then this is negative. You're taking the square root of a negative number, and there's no solutions, because you can't take the square root of a negative number. So we have to find what is b squared minus 4ac for this equation. So b we found was negative 2, so we have negative 2 squared minus 4, a is 1, c is 1, so we have negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. Negative 2 squared is positive 4, minus 4 times 1 is 4, times another 1 is still 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Therefore, we have b squared minus 4ac is 0, and therefore we have one solution, and c is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.